So right now we're kind of having a bit of a late start to our day, but we're getting some Starbucks and some Tim Hortons because we haven't eaten yet. Today we're gonna be going shopping for a couple things for the house. We want to go to some thrift stores, and we definitely want to go to IKEA to get some things for the house, and yeah, maybe hit up a couple other stores, but for now those are definitely the places that we want to go. And I really want to find some candlesticks for our table and some cute like vintage decor looking things, and get a couple kitchen supplies definitely from IKEA because they're pretty cheap there. And I'll just take you guys along the way. We have this one thrift store that I really love on campus called Out of the Closet, and it is my favorite thrift store of all time. And they have some pretty good things and also some pretty cheap things, which is why I like it. I'm excited to take you guys in there and see what they have. Can you give me a venti iced coffee? With heavy cream.
With heavy cream.
5 pumps of caramel.
5 pumps of caramel.
3
5 pumps of caramel?
Yeah.
Yes.
3 pumps vanilla.
Okay. 3 pumps of vanilla.
Yeah, I get caramel drizzle all over and around a cup. And then whipped cream.
Caramel drizzle along the cup and on top. Anything else?
And then can I get whipped cream on top of that?
You said whipped cream?
Yes.
Change of plans. Wendy's has taken over. Where we going, boo?
Went home because I got my shirt dirty.
He made it oopsie.
I mean, many oopsies.
So guys, he made an oopsie on his shirt, so we gotta go get him a new shirt. Go ahead, because what I won't do is be out in public with a grown ass man with sauce smeared on his shirt. So we are back in business, baby. He got a new shirt, basically the same shirt, different font, and and now we're finally gonna head to the thrift store. I also doctored up my drink because what I couldn't do was drink that. It just wasn't it. I don't know what they thought they were doing, but I did this at home. So next stop, out of the closet. Uncha, 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 uncha. You gotta do it with me. Uncha, 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 uncha. My chauffeur ain't got no fucking seatbelt on.
Look, good things take time.
We're here, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh, I love thrift shopping. It's my favorite thing, isn't it, boo? I want these for my candles. These, they're not my cup of tea. I was trying to just got it out of the closet. I don't know how much good footage I got, but I actually wasn't that nervous recording in there at all. But next stop, hold on, let me get out of here. The next stop is Goodwill, which is literally like down the street. So see you at Goodwill. All right, we made it, guys. This is gorgeous. Why is my hand shaking so bad though? That is such a cute basket. Is this a picnic basket? Shut up. Doing, sis? We on our way. No worries.
Ice cubes? Because I hope we don't have ice.
Well, our new fridge might. Even if it don't. I found Kayla's house. They bought an ice machine that sits on the counter and makes ice. So I'm like, maybe we can get one of them. It has a little scoop. You just scoop the ice out. A little too dark for light green. This wood is kind of cute. It's just bulky. Oh, and also this is just the cover. Like underneath it is just a plastic bottle. No, thank you. This is black. Little set. We wanted matte black. I like this one. It's heavy as glass.